So now we have Mr. Jeff Markello, who is running for the town justice. Make a statement.
Thank you, Mr. Meyer.
And Mr. Markello is running unopposed.
Thank you. Very briefly, thank you for hosting the forum again this year. It's nice to know that you relied on year after year, and thanks everybody for coming out. I won't bore this crowd. Most of this crowd knows me pretty well. I'm K through 12 here in East Aurora all my life. Served on the Board of Ed for 9 years, a prosecutor for 7. Norm Suttle nominated me to fill the shoes of George Heasel when he resigned and retired. And so I have been lucky enough to have been on the bench now in my 5th year. I'm proud that I have a wonderful and very understanding wife and 2 beautiful kids who go to school locally here in East Aurora. Locally, I'm involved in the community. I am involved in the Rotary Club, Sassy Foundation, and most recently I've gotten back into education. I'm now on the East Aurora Education Foundation Board, which is a terrific board. We've got a big fundraiser coming up, but I guess I shouldn't go into that right now. Court improvements. I'm very proud over the last 5 years we've done some really terrific work, I think, at the court. I have, since I've been on board, we have secured over $44,000 in grants that we have brought into the town. That's money that came from the state that we have brought in. Now we moved from a small courtroom to a larger courtroom. Our court staff has filing cabinets and desks that are actually functional, where the drawers open and close. We've made terrific improvements. I serve as the chair of the Erie County Bar Association Practice and Procedure and Justice Court Committee, and we're working on constantly improving the efficiency of the justice courts. Last week, or I guess it was 2 weeks ago, I met with Judge Markello, my counterpart on the bench here in East Aurora, together with a couple of directors from the Board of Directors of the Erie County Bar Association and one of Frank Sedita's assistants, to talk about ways in which we can improve district attorney nights, because we have town prosecutor nights and district attorney nights. And I think we're making good headway in that regard. With regard to town prosecutor nights, Judge Markello and I have kind of led a way in a new fashion of managing town prosecutor violations, the ones that are prosecuted by our town prosecutor, Ned Snyder, in ways in which we have reduced the numbers of outstanding tickets, outstanding fines, and our scoffs are down. So I feel like we're doing a good job there. I happen to be one of those attorneys that does mediation and arbitration. And one of the things that we've also implemented in our court, which is somewhat groundbreaking, is we've engaged the Child and Family Services Alternative Dispute Resolution. It's a community dispute resolution program. So that when we have civil actions, for example, small claims, we're able to sometimes utilize talented mediators to come in and try to solve those problems so that the judge doesn't necessarily have to ruin somebody's day. Because whenever a small claims or an eviction or anything like that comes before the court, somebody's going to win, somebody's going to lose, and at least one, sometimes both people, walk out of the court, somewhat unhappy, because that's the nature of civil actions against one another. So in any event, I just wanted to thank you, to let you know that my training over the last 23 years practicing law has really made me very well suited for this position. I'm proud to be in this position. It's my passion. I love the law, and I am proud to be able to, I think, make a difference in the community in which we live. So, I think I hit the points I wanted to make. I am limited in my ability to take questions because judicially, candidates in my shoes aren't supposed to take questions. Unless there is something, I suppose, about the administration of the court.
Right. Do you have any general questions about, as Mr. Markello said, about the administration of the court? No? Okay. Then thank you very much.
Thank you.